students, so here I am Mrs. Ahuja with chapter number 11, work and energy. Students, in this video we will study potential energy. As we all know that energy is the capacity, or we can say the ability to do work, and because of this energy only we can do work. Students, you and me, we all sleep at night. ठीक है, so हम सब रात को सोते हैं, and when we get up, so after that we can do different type of activities, we can do different type of work. So students, when we are sleeping, that time we are storing the energy actually, and that energy is potential energy. So this potential energy is the energy which is present in the body by the virtue of its position and configuration. It means this is the potential energy which is because of the position or configuration of a body. Fine. You and me, when we are sleeping, that time we have potential energy, and after that when we wake up, when we get up, that time we use that energy for different activities, for different work. So now we will start potential energy, how we can calculate that potential energy at a height. But before this, I will take few examples so that potential energy will be clear to all of you. So students, like we all have seen rubber band at home. Fine. Girls are more familiar with that rubber band. So when we stretch the rubber band, that time you have seen that the rubber band gets stretched. Fine. And you know that time it has potential energy. That rubber band, when you will stretch that, it has energy which we call potential energy. As I told you, that potential energy is the energy which is by the virtue of the position or configuration. So now the other example is like in Dashera, everyone buy bow and arrow. राम जी का धनुष बाण सभी बच्चे लेते हैं. So now we will study this. So student, this is bow, fine, and this is arrow. है ना? So this is bow and arrow. So students, what happen actually when it is lying on the floor or on the table on the plane surface, that time it is not moving, or this arrow is not moving. Fine, it is in stationary condition. Okay, as I told you that potential energy is the energy because of the position or configuration. Okay, so that time it is at stationary condition, it is not moving. But जिस मूवमेंट पर आप बो और एरो को उठाते हैं और when you will stretch this string, ठीक है, when you will stretch this string, so what happened, and when you leave this arrow, ठीक है, आपको इस एरो को छोड़ना भी है, so after that you will see that this arrow will move forward, it will flies off. So how it can happen, just think of. Students, as when you are stretching this bow, so this string, so what happened actually, you are doing work, and work is an energy. Fine. So this energy is the potential energy because it is of position, it is of configuration. And after that, when you leave this arrow, since this potential energy convert into kinetic energy, and that's why this arrow move forward. Okay? So I hope now potential energy is clear to all of you. Now student, we will study potential energy of an object at a height. Student, like this is a box. Okay? If I am raising this box, it is coming to this position, this height. So if I will remove my hand from this position, so think कि क्या होगा इसके बाद, अगर मैं अपना hand हटा देती हूँ यहाँ से, so what would happen? It will fall down. It means something is attracting this box towards itself. And that attraction, that is gravity. And because of the gravity, it is going down. Okay? So, it means I am doing work in raising this box, in lifting this box, I am doing work, which is opposing that gravity. Okay? So, which type of work I will do in this, in raising this box? I will do the work according to that weight of that box. According to the weight, I have to apply force. Okay? Now, I will calculate how potential energy of an object can be calculated at a height. So here we go. Student, assume that this is a box. Okay? And the mass of this box is m. it is lying on the ground. It is a flat surface, it is lying on the ground. So when I will lift this box, when I'm lifting this, so now the position of this box is here. It is coming to this place, that is A. Assume करते हैं कि जो distance जो ये cover हुआ है, that is H. So work done would be what? Work done जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि when I'm lifting the box, so I will do work according to its weight. And as I'm applying force for lifting it, ठीक है? Here acceleration is towards the gravity because I am applying force, है ना? And gravity is attracting this box towards itself. ठीक है? So as you know that work done, this W equals to force into displacement. हमने पढ़ लिया है ये पहले. And as we know, this is the formula for work, है ना? तो force is what the force I have applied according to the weight of that box. And what is the weight here then? F equals to what is F? F equals to M into A. We know F equals to M into A. And A is here gravity because it is opposing that gravity. Okay? So here acceleration is gravity. So I can write M into G at place of A. I can write G into displacement. So what is the displacement here? In the initial condition, the box was on the ground, right? But in the final position here, you can see that the box is here at this position at the point A. And the distance which is covered by this box, we can say that is H. Okay? So now, what is the formula for work here? That is mgh. Students, here you can see that this is a straight path. है ना? Here you can see this is straight path. Now come to the next condition when the path is not straight. Here you can see here the path is not straight although the box is lying on the floor and the mass of that box is also m. Fine. But the path is not straight. So in that condition, what do you think so? The work done would be what? The work done in this condition is also same as that of this position or this way. Because in this condition, actually what we calculate according to the initial position and final position. Fine. So we will not follow the path here. Here we will not follow the path. In work done, in calculating the work done, we require only position, initial position and final position. So that's why here you can see that work done is same in both the condition. Student, by this formula, you can do different numericals based on this potential energy. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.